Hello where you are. Hope you are doing well. In this video I'm going to test the air cleaning feature in MGHS. So I found no more pollution that this feature can face more than the cigarette smoke. And before we start, let me provide this disclaimer. Smoking is a very bad habit and it might lead to serious disease and possible death. Stay away from that. So first of all, let's let the feature on. Now it's giving excellent air quality with particles in the air of 46, 48, 50 and stabilized on that number. Now let's take a puff. It's going more and more polluted until it reached severe air pollution with particles of 500, actually more, but it cannot count more than that. Now it is trying to clean the air, but it needs an airflow first. So let's turn the AC on to circulate the air. Please afford the noise. This is the airflow sound. Severe air pollution as it is on 500. It should be treating the smoke right now. Afford the airflow sound. Severe air pollution. Still. Now it's started to reduce. So the air is getting cleaned. Gravity air pollution 260. Moderate air pollution 150. Slight air pollution. Good air quality. Going down 54 particles in the air. This is kind of measurement. Final treatment is processing. One final step remaining, and finally excellent air quality again. So again, smoking kills. Smoking is a bad habit, and the air cleaner feature of MGHS is amazing and working perfectly well. I hope you liked this video. Thank you very much.